Take me back to the time before we started working together. What was business like day to day?
Thought it was good, but now that I've been with you, I've noticed that things weren't as good.
There was something going on that kind of made you want to reach out and get some sort of help. What was happening?
Everything with my books wasn't great. Just documenting things properly, knowing weekly and monthly goals for me and my team. I actually saw one of your videos online, just kind of spending too much time on your business and being able to kind of step back and have systems put in place, allowing me to work less but make more money. And I just thought that was a really good idea, and I was excited about that. So
working less, making more money is a good idea. Was there something going on where you were thinking, man, it's got to be different. There's got to be something else that I'm missing, or that these other guys know, or that if I want to get here, was there something kind of needling you? I'm asking you for real, like
kind of plateauing on profit. The last couple of years, I feel like I've been busier, but haven't been necessarily making more money. So I just felt like there was something going on an operational standpoint.
Had you ever worked with another coach or tried any other programs before?
Not like this. I've had some guys in the market here in Memphis that I've talked to, but they've never really dived into, the real nitty gritty with my company. And it was mainly because I was kind of worried to talk to them about that kind of stuff because they're also in the same market. It was nice to find somebody that wasn't necessarily in Memphis that I could talk to on a more broad scale. I felt like a warm blanket was put over me because, I'm in it, not necessarily alone, but I'm a sole owner. So a lot of times it gets lonely. It's just kind of nice having somebody that I could reach out to anytime I needed for help.
Talk about that. So that was what you were hoping for. What have you got?
Man, I've gotten that and more, like the sales training that you've provided to my team on a retail standpoint, because we are a mainly insurance-based company. So being able to offer retail opportunities to our customers other than just going in thinking all insurance has been huge for us. And it's allowed me and my team to kind of think out of the box a little bit. A lot of these we're going in with an insurance kind of thought process. We're putting our foot in the door through insurance because they have damage. And then we get up there and realize that damage isn't there like we thought, or the insurance company isn't going to cover. So usually we would say, all right, well, we can just do a repair and then wait for the next storm. But instead we're using these tools like the roadmap, and the roof design guide and all these things that you've taught us. And it's just given us the opportunity, like instead of just moving on or punting the job, we're able to sell them on a retail side, which has been huge for us.
If you could share a little bit about your experience with the initial, like right out of the gate, the work that we did and what that's meant to the company.
We kind of just went through my books a little bit and kind of the processes that I've been taking. And it was pretty enlightening because I hate to say I was doing things wrong, but I wasn't doing things in a way, like in a good business way. I was kind of doing things in a way that my dad taught me, and he was, he didn't graduate middle school. There was things that I could change to help me ultimately work less and make more money, because putting 40 to 50 hours in a week and just kind of doing everything on my own has been tough. So just being able to implement the things that you've taught me, just on a statistic level, documenting daily, weekly, monthly reports, all those type of things have been huge for me.
You've been in this business for X amount of time, and in that amount of time you figured out this, but in 3 months, what have you learned in comparison to all that?
Your systems and the processes that you've taken with your company before, and now you're implementing and helping other companies, laying out the groundwork for everything has made it smooth and easy, but it's allowing me to kind of step back a little bit and see my company as a whole in different categories. Like, all right, so I got my sales team, I got my administrative side, and that's another thing. I've been out in the field a lot. That was my main thing, like on a day-to-day, just out in the field doing everything. And these past 3 months, I've been able to kind of step back a little bit, which has been good, and kind of be more of a manager, which has been big. And it's being able to do that, I've been able to kind of have a bird's eye view on the whole process. Before, when I'm out just hustling and bustling, it's hard to kind of comprehend everything on a business standpoint. So Yeah, just in these 3 months, man, my role has changed a lot, which has been good for me and my team. In the 3 months that I've been with you, the stuff that I've learned would have probably taken me years to learn on my own, organically.
Was there anything that when you came on board that was like, well, geez, I didn't expect this, but it was kind of like a pleasant surprise about what you got from it?
The one-on-one that you give us, I feel like a lot of these roofing mentors or roof coaches are less hands-on than you are. You're very involved. You're responsive. You're constantly emailing, keeping up. The trainings that we have on Tuesdays, the boardrooms on Wednesdays. By the end of the week, I'm sick of looking at you, you know? So the money that's being paid to have you has been so worth it. Mainly to me, just having that one-on-one with you. I haven't seen anybody else talking to us. It's just been you. So that's been really cool. That's been a cool part about it.
So if someone was thinking about, considering RoofCoach and they were on the fence, what would you tell them?
I tell them to go for it. Like, invest the money, if you got a little bit of money to invest in your company and to help educate yourself and your team, I would say RoofCoach would be the very top of that list. So do it.